Good day, people. Welcome to another market review from me, Effective, on behalf of Effect Trading Empire. Um, I'm just going to discuss what I see in the market. Please note, sometimes uh, I'm supposed to do these reviews every week, but some weeks the market doesn't move at all, so there's no point in doing a market review, you know? You get me? Like, what if the market is frozen for that week? So that means whatever I analyzed the previous week continues to the next week. But yeah, let's get straight to the market, so that I don't waste your time and you all can watch the video quickly. Let me share my screen. Share my screen. Okay, so right now we're in the middle of September, right? Middle of the month. We've got October, November to trade. December will be good quiet. So let's see what we have in store for us for the remainder of September, right? Cool. We had CPI last week. But yeah, market just moved, spiked, then by the end of the day, returned to the same point. So there actually nothing happened, we could say, right? So let's see this week what's happening and if there's some FOMC coming through. So right, we here in Tuesday, we've got some USD news. Possibly now, this is what's gonna give us direction for the market. This FOMC interest rate decision for USD, right? So I was anticipating it to be done by the CPI last week, but no, market decided no, I'm just gonna stay in one place. So now we are hoping and praying that it happens this week. Yeah, and this is good news to direct the market, for the remainder probably of the year, if things go accordingly here tomorrow, right, at 8 p.m. South African time. Anyway, so with that said, please note, I am a technical trader. I'm not really a fundamental trader. I'm a technical trader, which means I focus more on the charts, and I believe that the charts determine the direction of the market, and I believe that some news is false, it's just used to move the market in a certain direction, so this is me. So if you're looking for a fundamental trader, I am not the one. I don't want to pretend to be one. I'm not the one. So, but with using my technical analysis, I do get the market right majority of the time. But yeah, so I just wanted to let you all know that I'm not a fundamental trader most of the time. I believe that technicals lead the way. So I stick to that most of the time. So let's get straight to the market, right? So now we know that we are looking for a big move here tomorrow at 8 p.m. So, and now let's get to the charts. So, as you all know, I always focus on DXY first before anything. Um, um, so with that said, DXY gives me the direction of USD for the week or for the month. So I really focus on DXY. And this is what I'm looking for to analyze so I really stick on DXY. Once I know what I'm looking for with DXY, then it makes it easier for me for other pairs, right? Okay. So I have been analyzing this from here, from June, and anticipating this is Elliott wave, 1, 2, 3, move down, and then I'm anticipating an ABC move up. So I was anticipating a move up from here, right here, up here, but it did come back down to this area again. So basically, I'm going to pull this a little bit to that side and then say I'm pushing that side. So you can see that DXY, the dollar, every time it hits the support, it rejects here. So usually price comes to the same support twice and leaves, but now this is the third time. So yeah, basically my understanding of this is there's a lot of buyers here, so they need to be taken out before they have to go up in the direction they're anticipating. This is me. So yes, I'm anticipating tomorrow with FOMC that now the bullish move comes in for DXY. So I'm patient. You know, you don't have to trade every single day. You know, you shouldn't be trading every single day. It's good to wait for the perfect setup to come through, because then you don't waste money. Anyway, so with that said, I am anticipating dollar bulls, right? I have been anticipating them from here, but price kept on coming back. So this is the third touch. I'm looking to see what happens here before I enter. I'm not just going to enter. I'm looking to see what kind of bullish candle. If I can get a bullish engulfing for the week, you know, covering this bearish candle, then I'll be happy. Maybe I'll start trading the dollar index from next week. Who knows? But yes, this is what I'm looking for. I'm looking for dollar strength, right? So with looking for dollar strength, what now? So yeah, you know, Elliott wave 5 ways move down in the direction. A pullback is an ABC. You know, so this is what I'm waiting for price to pull back to there, from B to C, right? So I'm looking for dollar strength, and this is a key zone for me. It's been key for these three levels here and previous price since 2023, you know, 2023 July. So yeah, that's why I'm looking for bulls here. So now with looking for bulls there, USD bulls, let's see what I'm anticipating for USDJPY. So since I'm looking for bulls on dollar, I'm looking for USDJPY to pull back. It's a pullback, right? So when looking at what I've been looking for, this is the channel that it's been playing in. This is what I'm anticipating. Touch down, up, down, up. I'm looking for it to come down, but there has to be a retracement for me, I believe. And I'm seeing a little head and shoulders actually here, right? I mean, let's look at it. There's something like a head and shoulders, I believe. Yeah, I'm just seeing it now. So yeah, so I'm looking for something like that to happen, then drop. So I'm looking for that retracement right now, right? To form the second shoulder, the right hand shoulder. So that key support is holding 100%, right? Now that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave move is there. So that's the first wave. 1, 2. I'm looking for that 2 retracement till there, somewhere there, right? And it's rejecting in that zone. So that's also confirming USD strength in a key area for a turn. So I'm looking for that turn retracement till 50% of that, and then continuing to the downside. So for Japanese yen strength. So yes, I'm looking for buys on USDJPY for that reason. uh Gold. Well, yeah, I was looking for rejections here. It didn't happen. So when I zoom in closer, every time it hit a triple top, I would try and sell, but it would break through triple top. It breaks through. Now I see something that's like a morning star, you know, bullish candle, indecisive candle, bearish to conclude that USD strength. So let's see what happens there, right? It's still within a consolidation zone, still consolidating in this sorry, block. So I'm really like I would like to see that push out of this block to the downside, right? At least till here. So I'm not trading that. I want to see a real good bullish candle here. I mean bearish candle there. So I'm looking to see, but I'm not looking to enter that until there's a real good uh bearish candle there. Or by the end of the day or tomorrow, there's a big red candle coming down here, at least to this area here, you know. So yeah, I'm waiting for sales there. But yeah, it could go higher, but let's wait for FOMC and see what happens from there, right? So, but I'm anticipating that sell there. And then Euro USD, let's see if it agrees with the USD strength, right? Yeah, yes, Euro USD has been playing at that zone since 2022. It's been holding here. Yes, it broke through there, but came back below. So it's been in this consolidation box, right? There is a bearish momentum coming through. The pin bars doesn't close above that area. This area here doesn't close above there. Spikes there, but doesn't close above there. So there's a good chance that we are coming to the downside. There is a bearish candle at the moment, and there is a spike. So that means that momentum cannot go higher. So that also gives us an idea that that will drop, right? Let's look at it from a weekly perspective. Yeah, even from a weekly perspective, you can see pin bar in 2022. This broke above, but closed below again. This 2023, here again, December. This one looks like that, but eventually drops. So we're looking for that drop to the downside for EURUSD. All right, so we're looking for USD strength and there. Okay, USD ZAR sitting on some support, key support. Let's see if it goes above tomorrow for bullish momentum at that support. So everything is like sort of agreeing for USD strength, you know. There as well, there's some pin bars there. It doesn't want to close above there, so it's showing some momentum to the downside. But we really need a bearish candle to really confirm downward movement, you know. And I'm expecting this downward movement to last till the end of the year in terms of USD strength. But yeah, let's see. When price is about to turn around, it's hectic. Like it takes some time. It doesn't just turn, you know. It has to act up, I would say. So yeah, that's it. Bitcoin, let's see. Right. Okay, for me, Bitcoin currently it looks more bullish, you know, because you can see from our moving average that every time it hits that support, it goes higher, you know. But these tops have been becoming lower, lower, and lower, you know. That's a lower, how can I say? Let's see the fib, right? Let's fib it. That turned at 50%, you know. It went up 50%. Yeah, around 50%, right? 50, yeah, around 61.8, 61.8, right? So that was a good turning zone. Then that one started there, moved down to there. It's playing around the 50 and 61.8 zone. So it was a buy here, but it is highly possible for the turn somewhere there and come down for strength, right? So that's highly possible. We're still expecting some bullish momentum before maybe that drop comes. But we look at the candle formation to see. But you can see there's a wick there, 3 weeks ago, wick there, a week ago. Then there's this one. Let's see if it can make a full body candle. If not, then we know that price is struggling to push beyond this area. So we're expecting those pairs then. So that concludes that. The one thing I didn't look at is USDCAD. USDCAD, I am seeing it's been playing obviously since 22 September in this consolidation box. So I saw it break out of that moving average that we trust, break out, and then it's retesting there. So that retest, I believe, is for more movement to the downside. So I'm expecting some bears on that one, right? But yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's zoom in closer, see what happens. It could go as far as coming here and then dropping. So that moves on its own, right? I don't see it as coming all the way up. It has to, I mean, it's been going up and down within this block. So I'm expecting it to come down, you know, not break above, but break below. But yeah, let's see. It's not such an interesting one. So I'll pull it right down here. Indices, I'm not really interested in that much, but I'm seeing bullish momentum on them because you can see that on our moving average, it's playing on the support of it. It looks like we are going higher. It looks like we're going higher. And obviously closer to December, people are buying more technology stuff. iPhones have come out. So yeah, it really looks as per my moving average, below this moving average, we are selling above, buying below, selling. So we are now above it. I'm seeing, even the moving average is turning to the upside, showing that there's bullish momentum. So we're looking for bulls on indices. Last one just to look at GBPJPY. Looks like we are in a bearish trend right now, right? We've been above this moving average for the longest time. Now we're actually breaking and closing candles below. So JPY strength is coming through for the remainder of the year. That's what I'm anticipating. Yeah. Even on daily, it was playing above, came back down. It was supposed to retest and continue. So I do believe that we are on a downtrend for JPY strength. So yeah, that's my view on those instruments. You can rewatch the video just as a reminder. We are anticipating this movement of bullish dollar on the FOMC interest rate decision that's going to be decided tomorrow. So yeah, that's my analysis for now. Look, my students know the moving average. If you want to know more about it, you can DM me and find out what moving average it is. I'm not gonna just give it out there just like that. But yeah, we know how to use it to decide our entries, how to scalp with it. So yeah. And I like a lot of people trade on MT4, all other applications, but I like this MT trading view because now I feel like it's the best place to analyze and grow yourself, because it shows people how many years I've been using it, analyzing, you know, how many followers I have. So this can only be actual traders that are following me because all I do share is my analysis on the market, nothing about my lifestyle, nothing about anything besides trading. So, and you get to look at other people's views on certain instruments, like if I'm analyzing anything like USDJPY example, I can go to ideas. Yeah, let me just do this. Yeah, I can click there and then I can see what other people are thinking of that, thinking of which direction they're anticipating. If I'm feeling a little bit confused, I want to see what other people in the world are thinking. Then I can go here, type in the instrument I want, and then search, So this is the best place for me to just focus on the market, focus on trades, nothing else. So I would advise you to open an account here. We can follow each other. It's all good. But yeah, and your analysis on any computer that I log into, I'll find my analysis, which is great. So yeah, but yeah, that's my view. I'm looking for DXY strength. I'm hoping for it, and I'm not just gonna trade because I just want to trade, but I'm looking for the best entries, and it's looking good to come through. So yeah, let me not make the video any longer than it should. Yeah, that's it for this review. Cheers, guys.